All right, good morning. It's Thursday. Beautiful start here. Nice clear blue skies. Sun's coming up. It's a new day. Just when you think the stock market couldn't be any more boring than it's been lately, we get a day like yesterday and it totally redeems itself. Incredible. Dow Jones down nearly 700 points. 2% move. Saw a 2% mover across the board as markets just get crushed on that inflation data that came out. Inflation up year over year, 4.2%. They were expecting 3.4%. Big move, biggest move we've seen since 2009. A lot of fears right now that the Fed's going to have to raise interest rates. As a result, we've got a VIX right at 28 right now. Wasn't too long ago, last week, we were sitting right around 17, 18. So volatility's back. Markets are moving, and it's not just the stock market. FX, with those markets moving lower, seeing that dollar move higher. Continuation of that this morning. Oil, that pipeline shutdown we had earlier in the week, 5 o'clock Eastern time yesterday, they announced that Colonial Pipeline is opening back up. Oil's down 3%, right around $64 a barrel in WTI. There's a lot going on, a lot of price action to trade. Hope you're ready. Let's get in there again today. Let's have a little bit of fun. I'll check in with you tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.